Greetings and welcome to this quick how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to create a Twitter business account. Let's go and open up our web browser and we're going to type in Twitter. Let's click on the first link that pops up, Twitter, and we're going to click sign up. So the name of our account is going to be we're going to create one for our YouTube channel, quick how-to. So we're going to do quick how-to. And we're going to use your email instead. Quick how-to 1@gmail.com. Click next. We're going to click sign up. So they're going to send a verification code to our email. I'll just pull that up right now. Let's see. Gmail. Quick how-to. There we go. Done. So it should be in here pretty shortly. Yeah, we did enter the correct information here. Yeah, quick how-to. So it should be here in a few minutes. Let's check our spam folder. Yep, it's in your spam folder. If you haven't checked, it might be in your spam folder. Here's my verification code. Copy that over, send that, and click next. So create a password. Save that. So I'm going to upload a profile picture. Let's see, where are my pictures? Let's see. I have the picture I use for my queue it should be right here. Yep. So I'm using that one. I'm going to save that to my desktop. Save that. So you remember where you save that picture, or whatever, if you already have one ready, to use that one. My desktop, I have a queue. Apply that. This slider down here allows you to zoom in and whatnot. Keep that zoomed out as much as possible to ensure the quality of the picture. And you can click next. Bio, quick how-to video. There we go. And nope. And what are we interested in? We're really just interested in the entertainment stuff, I guess. We'll just click. Actually, no. What are we interested in? Let's see, science news, tech news, and DIY. We'll get the weather as well. Next. So you can follow a couple of people. Let's follow NASA. NASA's cool. Let's follow National Geographic. And we'll follow Neil deGrasse Tyson. And let's pick one more. Let's see, I don't see anyone else we need to follow, guys. I guess that's fine. We'll just follow 3. We'll allow notifications so we can stay up to date what's happening, and we'll click this here. Alright, so we have our Twitter page set up. We have 3 people we're following. We're following those people we signed up for. And now we can also change and edit our profile a little bit more. So let's upload a header photo. So the header photo that I'm using is one of the defaults from Google. Let's just get a landscape. Let's get this one should be fine. Save that to our desktop as well. Header photo, upload this one right here. All right. There we go. So we have that saved, and now we have pretty much our business Twitter kind of set up. But what we can do now is kind of fill out this left side here. We'll just put our website. We'll just put our YouTube channel in there, so we can get people to watch our YouTube videos. Let's go to YouTube, and let's go to quick how-to. How to install Google Chrome, because this is one of the videos that I've done. Let's see if we can find ourselves on here. That'd be interesting. Maybe we don't. Let's see. How to use Google Drive. Maybe we'll find ourselves. This was actually recent, so let's do this week. Yep, here we are. Quick how to. And we'll get this channel. Just copy from here. Go here, and we'll click paste here. We can change our theme color from here. I'll just keep it as a default one, and we'll click save. So now we have our YouTube channel, so whenever people go on that link, it'll just go directly to our YouTube channel. The reason why I didn't use it here, because this is a completely different one. I'm not sure, I didn't link it properly, but this is the correct channel. So there we go. And now we have our things kind of set up here. We can put our tweets. We can do hello Twitter, my first tweet. There we go. Now we tweeted something. And that is how you set up your business Twitter account. Typically when you set up your business Twitter account, you're gonna be following people that are in your niche of your business. So I'm running a business of YouTube videos. So you can follow YouTube and also follow a couple of people that are like my channel and kind of get pointers from them, follow their follows and whatnot. And then that's how you grow your channel and grow your business. You need to follow the right people, keep tweeting, keep people up to date on what's happening with your business. And that's pretty much how you're going to keep things going. And if you guys want any more in-depth videos on how to use Twitter effectively for your business or for, just your profile, your personal profile or whatnot, leave a comment down below. I'll make another follow-up video that'll be going more in depth on how to better utilize Twitter. And that's pretty much it. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching.